Hello class! Today we're going to be going over syllable division strategies, okay? But first we're going to go over some open and close syllable review, okay? So when we're looking at this list right here that I have, where are the vowels on the open side? That's right, they're at the end, right? Okay? So is the syllable, is it open or is it closed? These ones are open, right? Yeah, that's right. And are the vowels, are they long or are they short? Yes, and these ones, they're long, right? For example, we have the we, right? Good job. So on this side, right? Pretend it's not closed. Where are the vowels in these ones? Yeah, in this case, they are in the middle. Yes, good job. But what is at the end of these words? A consonant. Yep, good job. And does this make it open or closed? It's closed. Good job. And is the vowel, are they long or are they short? In this case, they're short. Yep. Like if we were to use the word sob, sob, it's closed. It's a short one. Good job. All right, so what we're going to be going over today are the steps for the syllable division, right? So these are the steps that we're going to go over. And the first one, right? Ooh, let me, whoop. There we go. Sorry about that. We're going to identify the labels, identify and label the vowels. We'll identify and label any consonants between the vowels. We'll look at the pattern and divide the word, identify the syllable types, and then blend each syllable, and then we're going to read the whole word together, okay? So we're going to refer back to this a few times. And the word that we're going to start with is rabbit, okay? Rabbit. So when we're looking at this, where are the vowels in this word? That's right, the A and the I, right? So in this case, today, we are going to mark and identify the A and the I, the vowels, right, with the letter V, okay? So down here, we're going to write a V under the A, right, because that's the first vowel. And the second vowel is the I. That's right, right? So we have those two. So now, our next step is to find the consonants inside those two vowels, okay? And we're going to mark those ones with a C. So in this case, when we're looking at the word rabbit, right, we already have our first vowel with the V and our second vowel, I, with the V. So these two, that's right, yep. So these two are going to have a C, just like that, right? So now that there's two between there, we're going to put the C under there. Okay, so when we look at these now, we're going to move on to our third step, right? So now we have identified the pattern, right? So it's a V, C, C, V syllable pattern, all right? So how many consonants are between the vowels, right? So this is the first vowel, and that's the second vowel. There's two consonants. Good job. And if two consonants come between two vowels, we're going to divide those two consonants, right? So in this case, it'll look like that, right? So we'll do that with that one too, right? So now we're going to look at this and we're going to point to the different syllables together, right? So we're going to start with the first one, rab, bit, okay? Rab, bit. Now we're going to say it together, rabbit, right? Good job. So now that was the last step, was blending it together for rabbit. 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 Good job. Let's try it with another one, but this time you guys are going to do it on your piece of paper and I will be doing it along with you, okay? So the word we're going to be doing together is basket. 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 So, who can identify the first vowel in basket, right? So we have it right here. Good job. Yes, our first vowel is the A. Where's our second vowel? In the E. Good job. So now that we have those ones, who can identify the consonants, right, between the two vowels? Good. Yep, and it's right there. Good job. And what are those two consonants? S, right? And K and K. Good job. So now that we have that, what is our pattern? The V, C, C, V. Yep. So we'll draw that right in between, right? Just like that. Maybe a little prettier, but that's okay. Okay, so now that we have identified it, is this part of it right here, the bass, is that open or is it a closed syllable? It is a closed because of this right at the end, right? Good job. Now is ket, is that open or closed? It's also closed. Good job. Now does the vowel, does it make it short or long in bass? Is it short or long? It's short. Good job. Good job. So now we're going to blend it together, right? Just like we did rabbit, we're going to do it the same. Ready? Basket. 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 Good job. You guys are doing so well. Now we're going to move along and we're going to do the word classic. Classic. So classic. Identify the first one, right? So the A, good job, and the I. And where is the consonants between them? The two S. Yep, the two S's, just like that. And where are we going to break it up? Yep, right in between the two consonants, right? So we're just going to draw a straight line just to show that it's divided still, right? Yeah, we can still see that's divided. So now let's blend it together, right? So now we have class, sick, classic, classic. Nice job. We're only going to do two more, okay? The next one we're going to do is plastic. Plastic. It's kind of similar to classic, right? So we'll have plastic. And who knows where the first vowel is? The A. Good job. And the second vowel is the I. Yep. Now, where is the consonants between? The S and the T. Good job. Yes. And then what kind of pattern is it? The VCCV. Good job. And that one, I think you guys are getting the hang of it. So let's say it together, right? Plastic. Plastic. Good job. You guys are doing so well. Now we're going to move on to a different section, right? So now we're going to do dissecting words. So now we're going to start with 2-syllable words that make up one word, okay? So the first word that we're going to do together is mitten, right? Mitten. Here, I'll write it down. Mitten, right? So when we do this, right, we're going to have mit and ten together, right? So mit, ten. How many syllables are in mitten? 2, right? Mitten. Good job. So what is the first syllable? Mit. And the second is ten. So now that we have the first one, right, we're going to write that on your papers. And the first one is mit, and the second one is ten. And when you think about it, when you write 10 in syllable on your paper, we're just going to write it like this, and then we'll break it up again, right? So your first is mit, okay, 10. That makes it easier to kind of write it when we're able to break it up like that, or isn't it? Our second syllable is that. Okay. So now we're going to try, now we're going to try a second word just to kind of practice it a little bit better. We're going to write happen, right? Happen. Happen. So what's the first syllable in happen, right? Hap. The second one is pen. So when we write it, right, we have hap, pen. Hap, pen. Good job. And we're going to do one more real quick. We're going to do napkin. So what comes first? Nap, 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 in. Good job. Napkin. Good job. We're moving a little faster right now because we only have a little bit of time left. All right, lastly, we're just going to quickly go through this little list, and we're going to work on those 2 syllables together, right? So when we're going through that together, we're going to look at the first one right here, okay? Which is rabbit, right? So if I look at it, it says rabbit, rabbit, okay? Let's move on to this next one over here. Pup, pet, puppet, right? So we're going to go through just a few of these pretty quickly, and then we will wrap it up, all right? So let's go on to this one. Crimson, crimson, common, common. What does that one say? Oh, absent, absent. Plastic, plastic. Gossip, gossip. Yep. Basket, basket. Candid, candid. Picnic, picnic. Good job. I know we didn't get through all those today, but you guys did so well. So thank you for being able to do that. And today we were able to divide and read 2-syllable words, right? And we were able to practice quite a few of those today. That's right. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a good rest of your guys' day.